Okay, so this is an EMC VMAX server system, and we're going to be doing a power supply on the unit. So what you'll have in the center is where the power supplies are. There's a dust shield that you take off, little clips at the top. Take that off, and then these screws are going to come out, and you go around the back.
Like one of these bags over here. Right here.
Okay, you can see the failed one here, that's the yellow lights versus the green light. So what we're going to do is remove these screws, and when we shut down, we're going to push that out and slide the new unit, which is where the new unit, as you can see, it's about 68 pounds, and that's going to go right in there. And then go run the strip and you power it back up. But these are all your zones for power supplies on the VMAX.
Yeah, see, when you see that green light, you know that it's working right, and the power's getting proper power to be able to run with these stuff.
So the yellow means it's failing.
Right, yellow means failing, green means we're good.
Okay, so it's faulty.
Yep, faulty backup battery system.
Power supply.
We're gonna fix it.
So this is how it'll be done. We'll pause it now.
Yeah.
We're going to be on standby for a minute until the man shuts everything down for us. But as you can see, they've got RAID drives. We got here 7,200 RPM,
Take the old one out.
15,000 RPMs, 4 gig a second. Man, those are nice. Yeah, this is pretty nice equipment. You got $1 million to spend.
Did you see this thing over here?
What?
Let's see.
We'll take a break from the VMAX
Look at this.
experience.
VMAX all flash.
Oh yeah, this is the all
Dell
flash.
EMC.
Yeah.
What is that?
They don't even have spinning hard drives. It's all flash memory. It's
No.
top of the line.
Is it?
VMAX.
This is older technology.
Yeah,
Right here?
yeah. There's nothing. There's no moving parts. And like
Wow.
a peek at that.
Dude, look at the fans
All
in
flash.
there.
Look at that.
Oh,
It's
that's
just
the Husky.
it's just
right there.
bundles. Yeah, it's just bundles. Yeah, I better shove this. We're not working on this one, so I don't want to get in trouble.
Wow.
But yeah, we're trusted to work on this big stuff. You know, so it's a pretty big place. As you can see, this is the one we're doing. The reference map. Zoom in on that. We're gonna pause the video so we do the changeover. So this is the unit we're working on.